Hello everyone. Today we have another formula to write the structure of tertiary, neo, secondary, iso. So for that, first I'll write that formula here. That is in case of tertiary and neo, what we are going to do is 2 carbon less will drop 2 carbon. That all I'll when we'll go for actual structures, then it will be more understood here. And other is a secondary and iso. Here 1 carbon less. Okay, say if I'll do this structure, so it is like this, and here we have this way. Okay, so now at the top, what I want to add here is, in case of tertiary and secondary, at top I want to write alpha carbon. In case of neo and iso, we'll write other end second carbon. And this formula will prove that isopropyl and secondary propyl group is same. That we'll see after 2-3 structures. So very first structure now we'll see here is, suppose if we want to write neo heptyl alcohol. How to write the structure? So as we see here, meaning of hept, it's 7 carbon, but I'm going to write 5 carbon here. Why 5 carbon? As you see in this formula, in front of neo, what is given here is 2 carbon less. And that's why I did this. 7 carbons are there, but I wrote 5. Remaining, next what we have to do is, alcohol is there, that functional group we have to write at the end. Now that 2 carbon which we dropped here, what about that? So see that up, what is given? Other end second carbon. Other end is this, and second carbon is here. There we are going to attach, means that 2 carbon which we dropped earlier, that will write here. So now we'll fill up this with hydrogen. So this is our structure of neoheptyl alcohol. Okay, same way we'll try more example here. Say number 1 was this. Second example is, if I want to write secondary hexyl amine. As I started in case of very first example, similarly we'll go for second one. As we see here, hex meaning is 6 carbon. But if we'll see in this table, for secondary, what we have to do is 1 carbon less. So I will write 5 carbon only. Say 5 carbon. And what about this amine? To the end of the chain. Now what? That 1 carbon less which we did here, where to write that carbon? For that, see up, alpha carbon, that we have to attach to alpha carbon. Why this is known as alpha carbon? Because functional group is attached to this carbon is alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon. So here, now I'll fill this with hydrogen, this CH3. Rest all 3, here 2, this is 2, here is 2, this is 1. So this secondary hexyl amine. Now we'll go for as I said, we can prove isopropyl and secondary propyl structures are same. Okay, we'll go for that and we'll see with the help of this table, we can prove that structure is same. Okay, so I'll write it here. Okay, number 3. Now say I'll write number 3 here and number 4 here. That is, we'll write secondary propyl chloride and isopropyl. Say isopropyl is isopropyl chloride. We'll see that we get same structure. Okay, how will start? Very first thing is meaning of pro is 3 carbon. And here also pro means 3 carbon. But how many carbon I'm going to write here? Just see in this formula. In case of secondary and iso, for secondary iso, as we see here, how many carbon is less here? 1 carbon less. So what I'm going to do is, I'll write here 2 carbon only and this chloride. Here also 2 carbon and this chloride here. Okay, now what? What about that 1 carbon, this carbon, which is dropped? What about this? So as we see, in case of secondary, it will be written at alpha carbon. So alpha carbon is this. Here we'll write as functional group is attached, this carbon is alpha, here is beta. Okay. Now what? In case of iso, now we'll see where to attach that carbon which is dropped. Now we'll see. In case of iso, we have to write other end second carbon. So other end is this and second carbon, like say second carbon. This is the second carbon. So here we'll attach. Okay. After filling up, means by balancing this with hydrogen, say I'll write here C, and this your hydrogen, say if I'm writing 3 here, here is 1, here is 3, this is 1. If you'll see the structures, this structure and this, we are getting same. This formula, with the help of this formula, we can show here that secondary and isopropyl structures are same. Okay, now we'll go for some more example to understand this formula. Okay, so we did neo secondary. Okay, we'll see one more, that is say number 5. This time if we have tertiary hexyl alcohol, how to write? Same way we'll start. Hex meaning is 6 carbon, but I'm going to write only 4 carbon. And this alcohol I will write at the end. Now what about that 2 carbon? 6 carbons are there, but I wrote 4. Why I wrote 4 here? We'll see in this formula. In case of tertiary, 2 carbon we have to drop. 2 carbon less we have to write. That I did. 4 carbons are there. Now what about that 2 carbons? We'll see where it is. Say this, up. Alpha carbon. They will be attached to alpha carbon. And alpha carbon is this. Here we'll attach. Rest, fill up. We'll write 3. Here is 2. This is 2. We'll write 3 here. Here is 3. Okay, say one more example, sixth example. That is, one more is left. I think iso is the, yeah, yes, iso. Say for example, I want to write isoheptyl amine. How to write the structure? Hept means 7 carbon. But how many carbon I will write in a row? And for that, you have to see for iso. See, in case of iso, what is given? For iso, 1 carbon less. So 1 carbon less I will write means 6 carbon I have to write. 3, 4, say 6. Now what? Amine, keep it at the end of the chain. Okay. Now what? That 1 carbon less, where to attach? We'll see here. In case of iso, other end second carbon. Okay. So other end second carbon is this. So here we'll attach. Rest all fill up will do. So now here we have 3. This is 3 here. This 1. Here is 2. 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. So this way, the structure of isoheptyl, we got the structure. It's very simple to understand that. See, what happens is this methyl, if it is present at other end, then it is iso. But same methyl, suppose if from here, if I will transfer this to alpha, it is known as secondary. Then the name will become secondary heptyl amine. Okay, similarly, we can say here also means 2 methyl groups, if they are transferred to the other end, second carbon, they are referred as neo. As it was iso, other end, then it will be isohexyl alcohol. That's why what I have done is, if you'll see, I have done here combo. The combo means, say, secondary iso together and tertiary neo together. Okay. So now here we are done with this, how to write the structure of iso, neo and secondary. One last line just I want to add here. That is, whenever you want to write the structure, if there is iso or neo, what you have to keep in mind is OO. The meaning of O is other end. Means what you have to do is, wherever, like generally what we do, functional group we write to the end. Okay, from that side what you have to do is, you have to go to other end and second carbon. If there is 1 carbon, then iso. If 2 carbon is there, neo. Then it becomes easy to understand. Generally, I wanted to tell you this. Whenever you will see this iso, neo, or for other end, always you have to see that the groups, like if 1 methyl group or 2 methyl groups are attached, but you have to check that if they are at other end, then iso, neo comes. Thank you very much.